Hello friends, today we will discuss what is 100% stack bar chart in Power BI desktop. 100% stack bar chart and stack bar chart both returns the same result as in horizontal view. This is output of 100% stack bar chart. Only one difference between both charts is in 100% stack bar chart it returns the result as in percentage format. You can see here under each region we have three product categories. One is furniture. See, this is furniture sales in east region and it returns the furniture sales percentage 33.02%. Second one is office supply sales and it returns the percentage 36.03. And last one is technology sales, and you can see here this is percentage of technology sales 30.95 percentage. See, when you cumulative all category percentage, so it will be equal to 100 percentage. Now see, the definition of 100% stack bar chart is used to display relative percentage of multiple data series in stack bars where the total cumulative of each stack bar always equal to 100 percentage. So you can see here for each region here we have three product category percentage and breakup of all product category sales percentage is equal to 100%. Same for west. See, the breakup of percentage is equal to 100%. Same for central and same for south. So hope you clear the definition of 100% stack bar chart. Now move to the practical session. Here we have orders data set, and under order data set we have product category C and region and sales column. Now we will drag 100% stack bar chart from visualization panel. See, this is 100% stack bar chart. Now we will drag region column in axis, product category in legend section and sales in value section. See, this is output of 100% stack bar chart. Now we will set font size, font family for 100% stack bar chart. So for this, select the stack bar chart, go to format tab, and here we have many properties like journal, legend, y-axis, x-axis, data colors, data labels and titles. So using general properties you can set X position, Y position, width and height for stack bar chart. So you can see here right now my X position is 128, so I changed my X position 150. See, and right now Y axis position is 67, so I changed Y position 90 pixel. See, so same you can change width and height for bar chart. Now we will set legend properties. So right now my legend position is in top, so you can change legend position. Suppose I select top center. See, now my legend position has been changed, and also you can rename the legend. Right now my legend name is product category, you can see here, so I change my legend name PC, and you can change font color for your legend. Suppose I select dark blue color, and also you can change the font family and font size. Suppose I select Arial font family and I select 15 pixel font size for legend. So from here you can manage the legend font size, font family. Now we will change y-axis font size, font family. So right now my y-axis position is in left, you can see here. So from here you can change the position for y-axis. Suppose I select right. See, now my position has been changed, and I select dark blue color for font text. See, and I increase the font size for y-axis 15 pixel. I change the font family for y-axis Arial, and from here you can also increase decrease the inner padding between all stack bars. Right now inner padding is 20%. Suppose I increase the inner padding between stack bars. See, so from here you can manage the inner padding. And now we will set font size for x-axis. So here we have font color is gray, so I select dark blue and I change the font size 15 pixel. I select font family Arial, and also you can turn on and turn off the title for x-axis. So right now for my x-axis my title is sales, you can see here. So I turned off the title. See, Now my title has been turned off. And also you can manage the grid lines. So right now my grid line is gray color. Suppose I select blue color for grid line and I increase the stroke width for grid line C3. So you can see here now grid line has been enabled. And also we have grid line style. So right now it is dotted. Suppose I select dashed C. And also we have one more option, solid. And now I decrease the stroke width 1 pixel. So from here you can manage the grid line for x-axis. You can also turn off the title for y-axis. Just go to y-axis and here we have title option. Right now my y-axis title is reason. So just turn off the title and select position left C. So from here you can manage the y-axis and x-axis properties for stack 100% stack bar chart. Now we have another property, data colors. So from here you can change the data colors. So right now my furniture color is blue and office supply color is dark blue and technology color is orange. Suppose I change technology color and I select yellow color for technology C. So from here you can change the data color. Now we have data labels properties. Just turn on the data labels. It enables the sales percentage against each product categories. So you can see here in chart, it is showing me percentage of sales against each product categories. So from here you can manage the font size, font family for data labels. So you can also change the colors for data labels and also you can change the font size. Suppose I select font size 15 pixel C, and also you can change the font family for data labels. And also you can enable the background color for data labels. See, I enable the background color and I changed background color gray and then I decrease the transparency. See, so from here you can manage the font size, font family, background color for data labels. Now we have title property. So from here you can change the title name for your 100% stack bar chart. Right now my title is sales by region and product category, you can see here. So from here you can change the title text and also you can change the font color for title. Suppose I select orange color for title and you can increase the font size for title. Suppose I select 25 pixel. Okay, from here I can change the font family for title. So from here you can manage the title, font size, font family. Now we have border properties. Just turn on the border and you can give border to stack bar chart. So suppose I select blue color for border. Now you can see here. So this is all about 100% stack bar chart. Hope you clear the difference between 100% stack bar chart and bar chart and how to set font size, font family properties for 100% stack bar chart. Thank you guys.